Hello, everyone. Good evening. Happy Friday. Welcome to Miss JD's Friday episode of our daily stock market insights. Yeah. And thank you to those people who continuously support the channel, who are always here to watch my insights every single day. Hope you can share it to your friends and family members so we can start influencing them to, of course, save and learn the stock market, as this really has a big potential to generate additional income, passive income, and yeah, learn new skill. Okay, so let's get started. I'd like to first cover our index and then go through the most trending stocks for today. Okay, so in today's performance, we had some nice green, right? And ito yung iniintay ko. Last time kasi the volume, we've had green, red, kaya medyo flat siya because the volume is not uh, that huge, okay? In today's market performance, this could be the beginning of a continuous movement to the upside because volume is starting to pick up. Okay. In the meantime, I'd like to plot still our support at the MA20 line because anything can happen. We're still very near that support. Otherwise, if same sentiment happens on Monday, with some nice volume, chances are we could go back to the, who knows, 7,000 level. But prior to reaching that, we have to check first our 6,700 area because there's a resistance nearby. So chances are our traders will be locking in gains before it continues to accelerate to the upside. So ganun siya. Actually, abangan natin yung market performance today ng US market because in most cases, kung anong mangyayari sa US market this evening, the following day, there's a continuation sa side naman ng Philippine market. So yesterday, I was even posting in my personal Facebook page, Facebook account. I was able to spot Meta. Meta had a gap up. Ang ganda ng gap up niya. Nag 15, ayan, naging down to 13%. 13.93, but that's a gap up. Hindi ko lang alam kung if you feel niya yung gap na yan uh, this day or magtutuloy-tuloy, but really normally pag may gap yan, nag-fill yan eh. So, gaya nito, finil niya pero hindi pa totally umabot to. So, nag-gap up din yan, nag-retrace. So, let us see. Kasi ang laki naman talaga ng din-drop ng Meta. Ang galing for those people who may have uh, entered right at this part. What? Multi-bagger na ang dating niya because 90 plus 90, 180, sobra na sa 100% eh. So let's see if our, Amazon, Google, let's see if they are going to follow suit. Yan green. Pero abangan natin, no? Pre-market niya is around 107. So still this volatility is giving people the chance to enter at a lower price level. Okay, so balik tayo sa Philippine market. So that's what I was trying to say yesterday. Yun ganun yung performance. Medyo accelerating sila. Kaya today we were able to experience the same sentiment in the market. So let us see mamaya, ha? Ngayon, let's check our trending stocks. So you, BDO had para siyang doji, guys. Pag doji kasi, tendency is possible yan na babalik eh. I'll give you a scenario where you had a doji. Yan. Ito, considered yan doji. Para siyang cross. Yan. Ito rin, the reverse. Ito siya, umakyat. Ito rin, pababa. Okay, so ganun yung normally if a doji comes out at either the resistance or the support, then that would signify that we are about to change the direction. Okay, so medyo ingat na lang kay BDO in the short term kasi possible na nga siya mag retrace niyan, magpo-pullback ba. So what you can do here is plot your, punta muna tayo sa weekly chart para mas malinis tignan. Ang ganda ng volume. Hmm. Tingnan natin sa 135. Baka gumawa siya ng bago kasi may resistance ka dyan, no? Nag-breakout ka. So, normally, gumaganon yan eh. Or sometimes, ganon, balik, stay, tapos balik. That's the area I'm looking at for our nearest support. We've actually broken out of the resistance in the past. So with this volume, nice volume, chances are it can create higher high or uptrend na siya. Kaso lang, along with that uptrend will be fluctuations, profit-taking days. And the nearest support I see is 135. Next is BPI. Si BPI, teka lang. I'll refresh. BPI. Oops. I'll load my chart and BPI. Okay, si BPI po, okay, it turned out red today. Kasi naman, we are moving within the resistance area. So what I can do here, if I am going to use my Fibonacci, I would somehow know the possible area where it could bounce. Ayun. So mukhang it's bouncing at the 0.236 level, no? Each time that price gets hit, may nangyayari. So let us see if that will be respected uh, by next week. Yan, and then recover to the upside. Basta ang nearest resistance I can see is that 109.48 area, and it is currently retracing, but may mga foreign buying na rin eh. The banking sector is starting to recover. So chances are temporary ano lang yan. Profit taking. Hindi yan, I don't think nababalikan pa tong 99 level. Kung magda-drop pa siya, farthest na is of course our MA20 line in this setup right now. The next stock is MPI. Si MPI maganda. Uy, ang ganda ng volume. Actually, you already had a sign, guys. Look at this. While we were moving higher and higher, umaakyat ng umaakyat ang volume niya. Big sabihin, the sentiment, the buying sentiment is there. And also, normally coming from a constricted Bollinger Band, yan na yung signal mo. If we are still ending outside the Bollinger Band, normally may continuation yan. So gaya nito, when it dropped, we ended outside, nag-continue pa siya. Okay? So, hanggang sa lumiit na lang yung body of the, candlestick, tapos bababa na rin yung volume. Then, eventually, umakyat din. But it took a while. Pero the main message there is, the moment it starts triggering either side, may follow through yan, may continuation. And that this could have been your sign nung dito pa lang nag-trigger siya. That could have been your sign, lalo na coming from, deep dive ng ganyan. Babalik at babalik yan. So at this point, um, in the short term, I suggest maghintay kayo guys because we have just approached or we were almost hitting today. We were almost hitting that resistance area. Then we got rejected. Para pa siyang doji today, no? So, chances are, babalik yan. Babalik if you feel nyo tong gap na to. So, what you can do, same thing, we'll make an estimate kung saan siya posible mag-drop. Okay, so ito na nga. Sakto, 0.236, kita nyo? Posibleng babalikan to, and then pag na-break yan, posibleng ito. At least, you know, hindi man siya exact hindi siya exact science na dyan talaga. At least you have key areas to monitor. Na pag na-break yan, alam ko kung saan, how many cents downward pwede niyang balikan. But overall, uh, pwede pa, no? Pwede pa, pero, uy, laki pa pala ng opportunity, oh. At one point, it reached 7.6. May dividend din siya. I know hindi to gaano kalakihan, but at least you have something, to expect year on year. Because MPI, yung mga toll, mga expressways, express roads, kanila yan eh. Every day, ilang milyones, ilang sasakyan dumadaan sa mga toll gates na yan. So, really, revenue-wise, malaki talaga to. Walang problema sa company na to. Pero ever since, talagang usad pagong yung movement ng chart niya. So yun lang, kailangan yung, you have to check your objective, why you want to engage in this stock. Willing ka bang magstay dyan when you know kahit mabagal siya mag-move, but despite the movement, you know na very stable siya. This is also one of the blue chip companies. TEL, para sila ng Globe today. Red pa din. Ano ba yan? Lahat na umakyat kayo, ang bagal-bagal nyo. So our support area for TEL is in the 1,189 because of the previous support right here. Pero tingnan natin kasi mukhang packet na eh. Malapit na. Nagbo-bullish divergence na nga to eh. 'Di ba? From this point and then we dropped right here at nakaakyat na siya. Maybe one green candlestick na medyo solid. That would be a good sign to enter. Tapos may nice volume ka dyan. Very good na rin. Ang naka-discounted, super discounted level na ito. When it drops further, hindi na, I don't think na, well, worst case scenario siguro tong 2020, oh, pandemic. Pero you think babalikan pa yan? I think we are already in the strong support eh. But at least if it drops, andun ka na, the risk to reward. Your risk is much smaller in this case and a very stable company. So even if you stay on a negative for quite some time, may dividend ka naman. But definitely it's a cycle. It's just a bearish market. Time will come, it will also go up. Ali. Ali is okay, nice green ha, pero may resistance ka kasi this is the MA20 line in the nearby in the short term time frame, particularly daily time frame. We are hitting that resistance pero ang lapit niya lang din sa support, nice volume. So let's see if it will officially break out of that MA20 resistance level. However, if you wanna, consider entering, you are at a good area right now. Nagpipick up ng volume. So mga fluctuations intraday, pasukin nyo na. The moment it drops very near 25.89, that could be your buy opportunity. Okay, so maganda yung position ni Ali for position traders or swing traders. ICT is in the nearby resistance. Uh, uh, we might have ended red today because that's a resistance area, sign of rejection. Although still this is respecting this channel, ang kanyang MA20 line. So parang naghihintay na lang tong mahinog at mag-breakout eh. Yan ang nakikita ko. we're still respecting that ascending support. So the nearer you are pag may opportunity, near the support. And this statement is addressing the long-term investors. Okay? Kasi pag trader ka, this is a profit-taking level, not an entry point. Not unless na lang kung ang laro mo ay breakout play. So you wait for a breakout. So hindi pa siya, wala ka pa signal to enter because hindi pa siya nagbe-breakout. So if you have a breakout strategy or your gameplay is a breakout, may one candlestick above this 2219 level. Yan yung pasok mo. But right now it's not. It's not your play. Um, this play right now for those people who may want to enter are really for this is for an investor perspective. And I'm also assuming that you guys must have already entered somewhere and you're just adding. Yan, di ba? Add lang ng add pag may dip. SM. SM, parang it's following. It's still respecting the MA20 line for SM eh. And ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan kasi yung parang yung line niya pababa. So, hayaan mo siguro, what you can do probably is draw this. At kung saan siya mag-trigger, that would dictate your next steps. Okay? Yan ang pinaka-safest route mo. Hintayin mo siguro dito kung mag-break siya dyan. Then, that will be your signal na, okay, it will continue to the upside. Kasi may chance pa to na i-break niya tong support na to. Yan. Andyan na eh. Malapit na siya sa edge. So still undecided. Although this could be one sign that you can use. May foreign buying na nangyari. You can also, saan ko naman ba yung nakikita yon yung mga foreign buying. Uh, I'll check that one out. Pero may portion dito sa Instagrams where you can check for the past how many days ilan ang foreign buying, ilan ang foreign selling, ano ang sentiment. Basta yun siya. I'll try to recall what page that was or that is. Si MBT, andyan ka pa rin sa support. Nag-hold pa rin yung support niya in fairness sa ating MA20 line. May nice volume. So let's see if it will continue to move up. At the moment, I see MA20. Ito, resistance siya dati. Ngayon, dahil nag-break ka dyan, it's exactly how I would draw it before. Akyat, tapos i-revisit before mag-continue. So that is replicating that kind of formation right now. Okay, so ano pa kaya? I think that is it for now. Feel free to drop a comment. Let me know if there are additional requests uh, that you'd like me to do for you, review particularly stocks. I can also check out crypto, even stocks in the US market. I can do that because I am also actively trading or investing in the US stock. I also have positions in crypto, so those are my gameplays, but I'm not into forex. So, yun siya guys. Thank you very much for watching and bye-bye for now.